Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my first ever playthrough of Sons of the Forest. I am going to be playing with not only the ever amazing Sek, or Sekfi as his channel is, because he is also a YouTuber and streamer, but later on in the playthrough, whether it be this video or future videos, we'll also have friends joining us. So I hope you all enjoy, and hopefully the giggles and chaos will keep you entertained. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, so enthusiastic. Thank you. Yeah.
Wow. I'm so excited to be here.
But yeah, we are going to be playing Sons of the Forest tonight, since it is currently like almost midnight, if not already midnight. Um,
It's midnight.
yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy the chaos, enjoy me screaming my head off, enjoy him probably dying in some weird way that I hopefully will get on camera.
You're gonna die. I'm doing a no death run.
Uh-huh. Yeah, well, we'll see how well that goes.
Oh, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, that was the intro. You're done with the intro?
I don't know what else there is to say. Do you have anything else you think we should say to the intro?
Uh,
Do you want to redo the intro?
nope. We're going off script.
Uh-huh. Well, then send us in.
Fun fact, I've never been in a helicopter before.
Like in real life?
Yeah, I've never been in one.
I've never been in one off of the ground, but I have been in a military helicopter while it was grounded.
Oh shoot, we have a laptop? I just looked down.
Is that a tent down there?
Oh. We're going down.
Oh, now I can look over.
Last signal was from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Oh god.
Me too, buddy. Me too. Ah, fuck. Oh, this is a scene from Jurassic Park. Oh, fuck.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, fuck. Oh! Oh!
Oh, you're still in the intro?
Mm-hmm.
Now, who invited you here?
I just hear trees falling behind me. Okay, let me adjust the game
Okay.
audio because this shit is loud.
Oh,
There we go.
oh, there's raccoons over here.
Hey, this person's still alive.
Oh shoot.
Kelvin.
That's- Bro, it's out of it.
There we go. Smell like salts. Works every time. So is he? Can he not hear? Do he have blood coming out of
Yeah,
his ears?
I think he is deaf.
Oof.
So you gotta tell him what to do.
So, I don't know why it's a trend for us to be falling out of airborne vehicles, but I do not appreciate it.
It's an interesting grabber for the game.
Well, because I did the first intro the other day. Plus, I've seen people play it, and it was a plane.
Here, check this out. This is how we get loot.
Interesting.
We should probably start by setting up a little base camp. Oh, you already started.
Yeah. Haha.
How'd you do that?
You throw the tarp on the ground, and then you put 2 sticks under it.
What?
That's cool.
I'm trying to learn how to build a campfire.
Let's look at the guidebook. Basic fire. Stick plus lighter. Take a stick, break it, put it on the ground, light it on fire.
Alright, I'm gonna need you to repeat that.
Take a stick, break
How do I
it.
get out of this? Hold on.
Oh
I got something even better.
my god, are you making him do it?
I do all the hard work. Oh, wait, don't put it under the freaking tent. Thanks. Are you going to be sleeping in the fire?
Nice. Okay, don't really need that right now. Ooh, okay. So then I'll take this part off. And then start rolling. Fuck. Aha. I'm making a floor. All I know is the next game is going to be crazy.
Yep. Alright, is there anything you'd like me to do while I'm here?
I mean, I figured we were making some kind of like base.
Okay.
I'm getting big logs so I can split them and make flooring.
Oh god, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Alright, what do you want this? How do you,
Just throw it down. I'll grab it.
Oh, I did not mean to split it.
Well, that works. We still need flooring anyway, so that works.
Not to alarm you or anything, but, it's raining.
I see that. If you want, you can start splitting wood and putting the planks down. We also have a couple pieces
Okay.
that are already split over here.
Okay. I can do that. So putting the split wood in the middle of these.
Yeah, it'll put like a little arrow. And then you just right click it. Yeah.
Which design are you going for?
House. Square.
Oh, okay.
Walls. Roof. We can get fancy once we have more shit set up. Well, I did not enjoy that yelling in the distance.
I didn't hear it.
Nah.
I think you're hearing things.
I mean, I 100% heard a thing. It's just not fictional.
I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
Must be your mind playing tricks on you.
I mean, I hope so. I hope it's fictional and not like actually in the world, because if it is real, that is concerning.
Oh, that's a house. Okay, missed. Okay, so no more middle logs. They're not split logs, I mean. You know, I'm just gonna set these down because why didn't it let me set these down? There we go. You know what you're doing here. Oh my god, it's dark.
Yeah, I got
Here,
that
let's sleep.
quick.
Sleep.
Okay.
I can't see nothing. I gotta turn my brightness up.
We could use our... That is not a lighter. You can click L.
Put out the UV. There we go.
We survived one day. We've got this. And nothing can go wrong.
I just got attacked.
By what?
Tribe
Oh, Lord.
rivals.
Oh yeah, no. It was all in my head. I was just crazy. No one was yelling. You ready to admit you were wrong?
Nope.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hello.
You guys killing cannibals?
I've not had anything happen to me yet. Sek, however, is having a
Nice.
great time.
Oh, yeah?
I heard yelling and he was gaslighting me into thinking I was crazy, and now he's been attacked. Okay, and then... Yes.
I always come back.
Aha! We have a beginnings of a house. Fuck yeah.
Are you guys near each other in the
I'm
game?
right next to you, and he's over
Oh,
there finding food and or like non-bad water.
I'm turning on
Oh.
some more settings.
I am so sorry, Bunny.
What?
I
What
was
happened?
throwing wood down. I might have not hit a bunny upside the head with a thing of wood.
Right on.
You know, ironically, I knew it was gonna happen eventually. I just thought it was gonna be me accidentally hitting like Sek or something.
Bunny deserved it.
No, I didn't hit the bunny. I hit the bunny. I was throwing wood down for like the house so I could go collect more, and I hit a bunny.
It deserved it.
It's like, want to build a house? Want to build a fire? Want to show off the conquest over your enemies?
Ooh, there's a campsite down here. I'm gonna get some stuff.
That's horrifying.
You mean?
Okay. What'd you do? What did he do?
I mean, he's making food.
On God.
Is he cooking? Can he cook?
Yeah.
I'm cook. Holy shit, what's that behind you?
I'll kill you. It's all fun and games till I don't believe him and there is something behind me that starts fucking me up.
Hey guys, I got bad news.
Oh lord.
What's your bad news?
Well, I have good news and I have bad news. Bad news, I didn't find any food. Good news?
Oh, that was you.
I found,
I didn't know what the
found something
fuck was
better.
happening. I was trying to place the wood, but I couldn't place it. Then my dude started groaning. I was like, "The fuck is going on?" What'd you find that was better?
You'll see.
Oh god.
All I'm saying is, you guys are gonna be like, no way.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Can I fucking help you?
No.
Woo! We did it.
It's daytime. You know what this means, right? We can go. We can go. Come on, follow me.
Oh god. I'm only seeing two.
Yeah, the
One in
red
the
one over
front.
there.
Yeah, the one in the front and the one in the back.
Yeah, the red one's gonna be our like our main target.
Okay.
Oh no. There's a lot more. Run, 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 run.
Dude,
Run towards Sek. They all stood up.
there
around
is
him.
no running. I'm down.
Oh, you're just out.
I can't even move.
Uh,
Like I'm just looking at the ground. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, now we run.
Don't worry, guys. I'm on my way to save you.
Trust me, I don't think you can. That dude knocked me the
Oh,
fuck
no.
out with one hit.
There was like 6 of them that just stood up around the campfire.
We were like, we got this. We don't got this.
Yeah, that was freaking terrifying. They were just like perfectly still sitting around the campfire, too. Oh. That's definitely not unsettling at all. Slingshot.
Hey, cloth.
What does it do?
Ah!
Alright.
Oh,
Yeah, we have
God.
to go in. We have to go in. You have stuff to make a torch, right?
I just found cloth, so I should, unless it's more than one. Hold on. Oh, there's rope and cloth right here.
Heck, we're going in.
Look, there's rope and cloth, like, right in front of me. What the fuck?
Oh my god.